for them, not probably giving them the space and even the imagination to even believe or think whether these activities are suited for them or not. A lot of options. If we progress with the slides now, when we started doing workshops, the Kriya workshops in its own genesis were a combination of things happening. There used to be art and craft, there used to be non-gas cooking, so we make little children sit with Milkmaid and chocolate balls and chocolate sauce and put it together. And just the whole fun and imagination of these children getting together and getting their hands dirty gave us the confidence that children will actually like wet clay. And the molding part of it really lay really in those years solely in Kriya's hands, where we had been the pioneer and probably become the harbinger of launching events and programs that would suit their needs and customize it in a manner that would really suit their parents' whims and fancies as well. We learned something called the Kriya Kids activity classes. You would like to watch it? Yes, of course.
So I'm also just
wish I ever listened to this. I'm going to try this time. Okay, Kriya Kids as an activity class was an excellent supplementary activity which we felt you had the Montessori school, and the child would go to a school student-teacher ratio 30:1 and get completely destroyed by the teachers who would pull him left and right and hither and thither and put those wooden blocks in front of him and tell him to choose and tell him to put his blocks back. And we came out with Kriya Kids, which was an activity class, and you had a child, a 2.5-year-old, sitting on a comp, an Apple iMac, and using a mouse to actually use colors to displace things from one to the other. We had kids yoga, we had art and craft, we had mom and me cooking activities where you would bring in the interaction of the father or the mother or the grandparent with the child, where you would have special days dedicated to just them, where the mom and the child would actually get together, do a cooking activity, a competitive activity where, yes, even if the egos of the parents are getting massaged as a simultaneous process, at the same time we were making sure that the child was gaining in that one thing which we believed in most importantly, and that is self-esteem. Somewhere along in 2004 and 5 we discovered that extracurricular activities stood and were really a substitute for self-esteem, something which probably was lacking when I was 7 years old and I was trying to break into the school team, or in every child today whom Kriya seeks to empower, teach and educate. Self-esteem, ladies and gentlemen, is that one thing which probably as parents, as modern society, we have failed to provide to our children. That could be probably because of a variety of factors. It could be lack of time spent with our children, it could be quality time spent with our children, and some of these programs and workshops did exactly that. They were Bollywood masala workshops. The child would come, would cry on the first day, and the parent would ask us, should I stay outside the club and wait for the child to calm down? And we said, just go away and let the child be. And those 5 minutes of crying and wailing would turn into laughter a couple of hours later, and to our surprise we were given feedbacks like the child not wanting to go back to her home, her home. And the next day the child waking up at 7 on a holiday day saying, Mama, I want to go to Kriya. That gave us a sense of responsibility. So along with the whole commercial aspect of creating a business out of nothing and starting an entire enterprise which focused on creating not just brand value but also brand equity, we suddenly realized that we had a responsibility, albeit commercially. Moving on, a lot of workshops conducted, a lot of summer camps conducted. So that you can move on. I want to wrap it up. Small children having a good time. We launched programs like jewelry designing. Now, these are special programs. You need to understand the reasons for success of Kriya as a concept, or even why extracurricular activities have flourished in the past few years. Suddenly, you had organizations which were offering customized solutions, which would be very palatable to not just the child but also the parents alike. Imagine a parent who probably has a child who's 3.5 or 5 or 7, and envisions a future where the child would actually be participating in a jewelry designing activity in the future, or becoming a model, or becoming a sports person, or becoming a photographer. Or probably the child has in his genesis, right in the beginning, the seeds of creativity where if you've seen movies like Three Idiots, Wake Up Sid, Rocket Singh, you would have these fleeting glimpses of children wanting to pursue streams of their own calling, but being constrained by parents. So suddenly, from having to do a 1-year, 2-year diploma course in fashion designing or jewelry designing at a Syngems or a Savan Sukha Institute, or doing a photography course at Birla Academy, you had Kriya providing an alternative solution. Come to us for 5 days, enjoy a workshop, see if you like holding a DSLR camera. If you like it, and if you take good pictures, we'll put up your pictures on an exhibition, and for all you know, your parents just might become parents for return. Yeah, Learn Smart Workshop, a unique combination of creative writing, Vedic mathematics and public speaking. We called it Learn Smart because I felt in a globalized society, a child has only that much to offer, or a student has only that much to offer. All your studies, all your academic background, all your science, all your geography is going to come to null. When you step out into the real world, all that counts is how well you speak, how good you are with numbers, and how effective you are with making, I'd like to share the joke with Mr. Kumar just shared with the front row actually. Yes.
After the
Yes, please. So yeah, Learn Smart Workshop was born. We said we would conduct and create a workshop which would teach your child to become smart, and that's what the parent wanted. The first ever Learn Smart workshop conducted at Starmark had a turnout of 73 children. 73 children's parents wanted the children to learn how to become smart. Excellent response. Moving on. Art and craft classes where we